Alright, so instead of doing a traditional intro, we'll just do one of these. I would say probably like top 2 locations of all time.
This is probably one of the greatest locations in the area. The greatest location in the state has been closed off. It's otherwise known as the Damon Silos downtown. But that was the greatest spot, in my opinion, in the area until now.
Until now.
Yeah.
To kind of investigate this spot. We're just gonna go see what it's about, if it's accessible.
I'm honestly in shock, especially with what we're about to bring in there. It is unbelievable. I don't know what to say. I am amazed that no one knows this is here.
There's not another spot like this around.
And this is unbelievable.
It's crazy.
This is like a landmark, kind of.
Tim's gonna bring in a pretty special car
with a special guest who is a world-renowned photographer. We're gonna break the internet with this one. You'll just have to wait and see.
So yeah, Tim's on his way to come pick me up. He was able to get Jeremy Cliff as well as 2 vintage rally cars. Other than that, I'm kind of in the dark, so you'll find out when I find out.
Quattro over there too, Tim?
Thank you, Charles. This is the best thing ever, bro. Oh my god. I can't believe this is doing. Oh my god.
I guess we're going in. Oh, it doesn't even smell bad in here.
No, no.
Wow, this is wild.
this is actually amazing.
How fucking crazy is this?
I love this spot.
I would pay big money to fly in a plane like this nowadays.
No, you're good. I'm just like in disbelief.
Oh, he got it right there. That's the angle.
The images you can get, like what you can pull out of that darkness is crazy. Here, that nose right here, right? Oh, it's a lot lighter.
Solid right up. It's not.
It'll be too late, but.
Joe?
I'm not answering that.
Come on, you know Joe? Fine, do you know Joe and Angie?
Who's that?
Joe, Mama, Angie, Daddy. Turn your wheel to your right and reverse.
Am I clear under this thing?
What's up?
Am I clear under that?
Yes.
Alright, so Tim's in the cockpit for the one shot that he wanted. So we're gonna go sneak up on him.
Maybe have it. Hey, Tim! Jesus Christ, dude. You're a fucking dick.
Oh, that was awesome.
Can't tell if it's far away or not.
I'd use the rope, son.
No, the rope doesn't. I don't trust that.
Oh, God.
Oh, I'm so short.
Oh, no.
Oh, I can use this. Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh my God. I did it!
Not quite. This is scaring me.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Are you frozen?
Billy, are you down there?
I'm still here, buddy.
I'm like afraid to go up here.
Are you frozen?
Yeah. It's scary, dude.
There you go.
It's not that bad, but I'm like afraid to actually go to the top because I'm like coming down from there. Like there's good grips up here, you know? It's just eerie. Are you gonna do it?
Go all the way up?
Yeah.
Maybe.
If you do it, I'll go up there too.
Oh, God. What did I do? It's like sketchy even standing, dude.
Ooh.
Whoa.
How's it feel?
Scary. I'm on top of a f***ing plane right now.
Oh, I don't have my camera with me.
You can do it. You got it.
Oh my God.
You forgot your camera.
Oh my God, that's so scary.
It's it's worse trying to stand. Oh, you got your camera.
Yeah, I got my camera. It's just so f***ing scary up here.
All right, let's walk. This is try to get down that way. This is Did you jump from the turbine? It's not bad. Well, I wouldn't go back through the door.
Yeah, at least get a picture of me like looking cool up here or some shit. Like.
Yeah, that's the scariest part. Yep.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Like a G, dude.
If you use your shoes to slow you down.
Yeah. You gotta step inside the turbine there.
Oh god, dude. What you do? Hold on here.
There's no graceful way to hold on. All right.
And then from here you jump down.
Yep.
Oh.
I know. Doesn't look like shit on camera, but bend your knees when you land.
Are you sure? Oh, I can sit in here. Oh.
Uh-oh.
The lens cap. Maybe I should give you my camera.
Really? Yeah. You're a contortionist.
Yo, get a picture of me in here. Give me my hat. This is gonna suck. I
need the closure for the video.
Do you really?
Yeah.
This is a scary drop.
Nah, it's good then. It's the...
Just do it, just do it.
You're gonna be like, wow.
Commit.
It wasn't that bad. Right.
This trunk's open. Oh my god, that would have been catastrophic. He's in the weeds.
I picture them all going just to shit right now.
Holy.
Thank God they could. Are they calling it? Thanks for coming out.
Thank you so much.
Yep,
Good
Jeremy,
meeting you,
it's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Tim and
Charles,
Charles
yes.
and
Elliot,
Elliot.
pleasure to meet you.
Tim, thanks for the invite, man.
Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah, cool
Dude,
spot.
it was unbelievable. When we were talking about this spot, I'm like literally thinking like we need something cool that can go off-road. Immediately my thought came
Well, none
Tim,
of them
can I get just one? Wow! Wow!
Goddamn plane.
I'm good. I'm gonna take a full acid bath. What do you want to say, buddy?
When we first got here, I was like, wow. But then we started doing hood rat, and I was like, wow.
Fog hits and everything, the lighting, it's just spot on.
Ugh, focusing issues.
Oh, see, I should have been more on that left side there.
Insane.
Insane. Absolutely. Unbelievable.
Charles, always good to see you, buddy.
Always good to see you,
Tim,
man. That was
drive
fucking nice to
safe.
see you, sort of. All right. Is there anything else we need to say? Goodbye. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Bye.
Probably not gonna use this.
Bye. He's trying to touch my nipple.
That actually happened today. I've got a lot of footage to go through, so I'm going to kind of keep this short. That and because it's past my bedtime. I had the most fun on this shoot. It was just a beautiful collaborative effort from Charles finding the spot, Tim and I scouting it out, and Jeremy, Ricky, and Brian bringing in the cars. It was so much fun. The vibes were awesome. I met some awesome people today. It was just the perfect storm. You know, I said this in the Skyline video about how we can get any better. I feel like these past two videos were better, but like for sure we've peaked. There's no going up from here. We've peaked. That's it. We've peaked.
Turn it up. Let's just see how high we can go. Turn it up. No stopping till we lose all control. Turn it up.
Oh, there's a Modelo in here.
I guess Americans used to be small. So you can barely get through the doorway.
Until we lose all control.
You're a creep.